Test, test. Good morning, beeps. We have 15 minutes left before the market opens. John, good morning, Kevin, Alan D. Wade, Rafael, Alan, Bean, Andrew, Bean first. Let's go. We're back at the casino with Coin. Guys, guess who bought Coin yesterday? This is why we're having a slight gap up in the price. Kathy Wood, I think three of her funds bought around 700,000 shares of Coin. And of course, that creates a little bit of FOMO. People are like, what do they see that we don't? And it's up to 360 pre-market. But it's pulling down back to 340s. We're back with the casino. Look at this 1 minute. This is very disappointing. I deserve my loss yesterday. I deserve the L. This is epic. There's no bounce here. There was no bounce. Sherry, happy Thursday to you too. Um, oh yeah, guys, today's Thursday. I feel like oh yeah, we have the jobless claims, which guys, the we're recovering. The economy's recovering. Take a look at this. Nasdaq is ripping. I believe the jobless claims came in at around 500,000 compared to 700,000 estimates. Retail sales were up. I forgot what the numbers were as well for that. Somewhat percent. Let's see. Retail sales. I think they were back to 2020 levels. Let's see. Retail sales exploded in March as consumers used stimulus checks. That's the big one. Which is the one I saw? Let me pull up Bloomberg really quick. Oh, there we go. State jobless claims in U.S. fall to lowest since March of 2020, March of last year. That's how low they are. That's a really good sign. I sound happy again. Well, I don't know what that means. Is it because of the AMC? Do you guys think it's you guys think it's because of the AMC? I did see the interview. Yes, absolutely. I told you guys to watch it. Obviously, it was a little longer than I expected, but that's exactly what we needed. That was my only concern. I'm like, why do they need 500 million? He perfectly explained it, and he said they won't dilute. And after the video, I went on Discord and I told my chat, all right, talk is cheap. Let's see an AK legal filing, and then we'll reconsider. And then I woke up today. That's the first thing I see, the AK filing. So that's amazing. Did I ever call Godpill? Me and Godpill are in touch right now. By the way, Trey's also reached out to me via text. I don't know how he got my number, but Trey reached out. At first, I thought it wasn't him. I was like, someone's trying to mess with me right now, but it was him. But yeah, we're cool. There was no drama between me and Godpill. Whoever that was yesterday who tried to start drama, I'll just let it go. I'll let karma play its course. Karma will come for you. But disappointed in whoever that was. But yeah, we're cool. We're cool. We're good. We're all good. We're all good. And if you guys haven't checked out the God Pill, make sure you go reach out to him. Check out his channel. He is growing on YouTube, and he has a pretty very, I guess you can say for the lack of a better word, a very ballsy play on GameStop and AMC. I broadcasted my cell phone in a video. I probably did, but like I'm cool. I'm cool with some of you guys texting me, you know? Like I know some of you guys actually text me on a daily basis. You guys reach out to me, and I'm cool with that. As long as you don't cross the line, you're not calling me at 3 in the morning and whatnot, spamming me, blowing me up. It's all good. It's all good. I don't care. My number's out there anyways. But it's not as easy as just putting like, oh, Ralph's number on Google or something like that. It's like I don't put it out here, you know. It's not like in my YouTube description or anything of that. But if you go about your way, you'll find it. You can change your vote. Yes, this is something we talked about. You're able to change your vote on the proxy before May 4th. Tammy, good morning. He said he won't dilute 5 million shares in 21, but he never said he won't use the 45 million shares they have at their disposal right now. I forgot how many they have as well too. And one thing I was kind of torn in between is that he said that last time I believe he was able to shoot up the stock price with like a 30 million dilution. I'm like, why do you need 500 now? And now what makes me think is January 1st, 2022 is they're gonna just dilute. That's what I think too. But that's a long time from now. That's a big time frame. Anything can happen before that. Coinbase 344. Tesla's another one. Did we sold all our Tesla, right? Did we? Oh yeah, we're not in Tesla. What do I think about? Are you messing with me right now? Yoda. It's not even a ticker. Tammy says, she says, "Oh, remains suspicious." How's AMC? It's like a $10, right? Because we got out at 10. I sold at 10:01, so it's almost right back to where we sold. Let's see. Let's see how the stock unfolds. I'm kind of surprised the filing's not here yet on Think or Some. They're not reporting this. Let's see how AMC unfolds. Games at 165. What's going on, Harry? Good afternoon. Yeah, if you haven't seen that interview, I mean, just you don't have to see the whole thing. A lot of it was just full of like, a lot of it was just, it wasn't necessary, I guess you can say. The real meat, the real piece of convincing data, information, facts came up where he says, I'm out of Marin, blah, blah, blah. This, I'm a CEO. We're not going to do this. We're not going to dilute one share and the calendar year of 2021. That is basically what you want to see. And of course, you have potential acquisitions and whatnot. But the main real deal was the fact that they're not going to dilute. But like always, man, like always, guys, like I always tell you, with any piece of news, let's see how the stock reacts. You can have the best news out there. You could have Alibaba getting slapped with a $2.8 billion fine, and it makes sense the stock would collapse. No, it doesn't. The stock goes up and it gaps up. So just let's wait to see how the stock reacts. Something I failed to do yesterday with Coinbase, and I got clapped. And we're back with the casino. I'm coming for you, Coinbase. I'm not taking an L. I take a lot of L's, honestly, guys. I take a lot of L's. I lose a lot. But you gotta learn from your L's. You gotta know when to just take an L, you know? Yesterday, every trade we took except for the one that we bought at 410 was an L. They were all L's. And I'm glad I took the L. I would have been caught holding it back at 310. Adam Aaron did say that. He said, take everything I say with a grain of salt. I mean, he has to say that. He can't predict the future, you know? What's going on, Gilbert? Good morning. If it happens during the squeeze, how would we all sell? I don't know what you mean by that. What if hedgies make the internet go down? No, I don't think so. We got 8 minutes left. We're gonna go live for an hour, and then I gotta go. I gotta go do something, guys. I finally have a client calling me for cars. Can you guys believe that? Something that's really gonna change over the summer is over the summer. Usually we get really busy. We still have some time, like a month or so before summer officially starts. But it's gonna be. I'm gonna have. It's gonna be really stressful. But I'll keep up with YouTube and whatnot. I'll keep up with you guys. I'll still go live in the mornings, but I don't know if I'll be able to do power hour streams by then. And the videos I have to put out, I'll probably be like 2 to 3 videos a week, like it is right now. It's gonna be a hustle. It's gonna be a grind, but it's gonna be all worth it, man. Vicon might be just as short as AMC, but in violent fundamentals seems like a this coffee's really getting me like uh Vicom. This is the one I was talking about that might take months, maybe 1 to 2 months to really unfold and bounce. Viacom's literally on the verge right now of just either breaking up or just dangling near the lows and hitting new lows. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm still very patient on these both stocks. Discovering Viacom, GSX. There was also some news on Luckin Coffee, which I do not trust at all. Anybody remember the ticker? I know they went. They got moved to OTC for a line on their numbers. I forgot the ticker. Luckin LKNCY. Here it is. The stock's up. Of course, it's barcode. Not a lot of volume. It's up after hours. There's no volume on this one. But just wanted to bring this one up. Just thought it was interesting. Yeah, the filing should be everywhere. Just go to Google and put like AMC. Let's see, AMC 8K filing. I know someone sent it in the Discord, or maybe even FakeTel would have it. Oh, they don't. It's in our Discord, by the way. I'll plug in the Discord really quick. We got 6 minutes. I'm barely catching up with the chat. So what you're saying is I can't text you at 3 a.m. You can text me at 3 a.m., but there's a high chance I won't be awake at 3 a.m. I value my sleep a lot. But there's some people who could function. They sleep like at 3, 4 a.m. and they'd be up like at 5. I'm like, how do you guys do that? Kevin, are you here in LA? Are you based out in the LA area? Cali? Commercials on there. I do have an Instagram, yes. Morning, yeah. What's going on, Jesse? Wherever I go for the rest of my life, I'm gonna have to prove I'm a man. What's going on, Thomas? What's going on, Jen? Yeah, if you do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life. Let's see. Ape needs sleep. All right, we got 3 minutes. Let's test. Do I have a Tesla? Yes, it's a Model S, and it's pretty annoying, honestly. Sammy, I don't. The fact that you have to go charge it, have to run to Burbank and charge it, and sit there for like 45 minutes, and the client has to return it charged. That's not good. And that car can be a pain in the ass, honestly, sometimes. So it's not the best rental. And a Model X too. You could do that too. You could do the you could obviously work for money, of course, at first on something you don't love, and like you said, fund what you love. So sacrifice however much time it needs to be taken in order for you to raise some capital to start something you love, start a business. I don't know what the case may be. Go to school. I don't think you guys know, but I'm going to school as well, full time. I don't even know how I'm doing this. I'm barely hanging in there. Did I think I told you guys, no? It's like I'm all over the place. Ugh. Apes together. You should put a trace interview and the details of your stream. Your boy, what's going on, man? Thank you for the dono. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have seen that. The interview with Trey. You don't need to see the whole thing. A lot of his info I think we already knew. Let me see if I could find it. Or just go to Google or YouTube and just put Trey's trades, and it should be hard the first thing that comes up. I'm studying business administration, but I've always just loved the marketing. Marketing is what I really have always just had an attention and grab for. I have my own little small marketing agency. If you go on my Twitter, I'm pretty sure you're aware that as well. Small marketing agency. Ethereum out of nowhere. What's Bitcoin? I heard we got 35 seconds. 35 seconds. Bitcoin's bouncing. Yeah, honestly, I think Coinbase is gonna follow Bitcoin's price. If that's my little theory right there. Let's see if that's actually correct. Bitcoin price 62,922. Here we go. Market open. Ding 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 ding. Coinbase is dropping. GameStop is slightly pulling back. Watch AMC. Let's see how AMC and GameStop are correlated. Is the news out yet on here? I hate how they don't put everything on here. I hope AMC isn't one of your marketing clients. Come on, Tesla. Pull on back for me. Did we really hit 728 yesterday? Oh, we had the healthy pullback, of course. GameStop pulling on back. Oh. All right, we're in Tesla. Buy the dip, baby. 10 shares. Let's see if we bounce here. Ooh, it's a little aggressive. Make sure you watch NASDAQ. Let's not forget NASDAQ. Sometimes I forget how the overall market, where are we headed? NASDAQ is popping and Tesla is dipping. I think this is one of the days where they do the opposite. Neo, how's Neo? Ooh, what happened with Neo? Partnership launches? Is a new partnership with Neo or what? Open second generation battery swap station in Beijing. It's so close to my price target, guys. We're coming on down again. I don't these technicals sometimes don't lie. Tesla is bouncing here just like we wanted to. Let's wait for this bounce. GameStop, what are we doing? Pulling on back. Look at Viacom. What the heck? What's going on? Please don't tell me it's running. No, yeah, Viacom's dangling in there. It's barely hanging in there. Let's see. Tesla, are you gonna bounce? Oh, I got failed. Damn it. I didn't mean to do that. I hope it's one of these days where we're just bouncing and pulling on back. You could literally buy every single dip. Let's just get out of this play. It's not bouncing as aggressive. We'll catch it on the dip as well. I think it's doing the opposite of NASDAQ today. NASDAQ was popping. Yup, NASDAQ still ripping and Tesla's pulling on back. I'm glad we got out of Tesla. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Are you in coin? No, I'm not in coin. Yesterday I was just day trading it. Let's wait for coin. Come down, bad boy. Come down. Don't tell me you're gonna pop here. I have a Neo addiction. Never fall in love with the stock. Nobody watches me anymore with the name of AMC 801. Okay. I didn't see the glitch. No, okay, here comes Tesla. I hate how my alerts don't get triggered. There's some kind of glitch Thinkorswim needs to really fix. Notice how on some of these bounces, as soon as it drops, it starts to bounce. We've had a 736 to 738 bounce right now. That's a pretty decent bounce if you're quick enough. I don't think I'm quick enough, but let's wait for another pullback. I don't even want to set my alert. It's not gonna get triggered. 739 now. Yeah, Ford was talking smack about Tesla. Yeah, this market's broken right now. If Neil drops to 35, I have to buy more. I'm waiting for it slightly under 35. Clear some old alerts. Let's see if that's the case. Maybe that might be the case. Let's see. And I have to use the restroom. This always happens when I want to buy the dip. GameStop, don't tell me it's gonna be another slow day. All right, it's pulling on back. It's no trigger on the alert. Let's buy 15, 20 shares. Am I not getting filled? Okay. I didn't get filled. Neil's dropping, guys. I think EVs are taking a hit today. Just move the just move the stream to the bathroom. I actually knew someone who had a monitor in their bathroom to just watch CNBC and watch the markets. Tesla's not seeing bounces. It's not bouncing. We're loading the spring though. I think we're loading the spring on the 5. So if it comes on down a little bit more, let's add 5 more shares and just ride the 15 shares. If it goes against us and we take an L, it is what it is. But overall, I think if it does pull back and we take an L, that gives me a hint that tomorrow or even midday towards the end of the day, we might see another pullback. So let's wait. Let's wait. 162 for GameStop, 163. Let's move. Let's get some volatility. Let's get some action. How's coin doing? Dropping? No, it's hanging in there. All right, here comes Tesla. 735. We have an average price of 737, so let's just wait. Yeah, we're waiting on. I'm still waiting. I'm gonna add 5 more shares here at 734. Let's see AMC. How's AMC doing? 970s. Oh, 734 50s. Dropping. I gotta use the rest of them. I'm scared. Look at this 1 minute on Tesla. Don't you just love seeing the red? Oh, here comes coin pulling on back. It's like a good old coin. Oh, I got fooled, guys. This is an old alert. Thinkorswim's always playing with me. Quit playing with me, man. All right, here comes the Tesla bounce. Here it comes. Let's create an alert on the 5 just to keep in a little idea of where we're trading at. All right, the 5 minutes here at 740, so we got some cushion. If we pull back even more, we're kind of screwed, but we're gonna take the L. Real day traders wear diapers. AMC's bouncing. If AMC can close above 10 today, it might be the day. It might be the day. It'll probably just be me re-entering at the same price I sold. Around the $10 mark. Guys, this Tesla bounce is not happening. It's looking a little weak. Show me some green crayons. Show me some action. There we go. Come on, Tesla, you're a monster. You're a beast. Guys, earnings are on Tesla on the 26th. On Monday. I think we would push up. I remember the last time we had earnings for Tesla, it was like 1 or 2 days before where we really started to see a bounce on Tesla. And I think Tesla's gonna have a push again. It's gonna dump on earnings. That's exactly what happened last time. It took a dump after hours. People were panicking. It was insane, but it recovered to bounce, and then I think that was like the last time we saw around the 900 level. Ever since then, we pulled on back, 539 being the lowest, and then we're here at 736 today. So here we are today. So we're seeing a slight bounce here. We still have some more room to go on the 5 minute, which is still slightly sitting beautiful at 741. So let's hold on to these shares. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Still hanging in there. I like that. The strength is there. Tesla, are you going to continue? EMA rejection. Here we go. EMA test. Push up above. Let me start unloading you. All right, there we go. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. GameStop pulling on back. Is AMC following? No, AMC's at 10, guys. AMC's at 10.05. It's doing the opposite. All right, here we go. Above EMA. That's what I'm talking about. Am I gonna get filled? Am I gonna get filled? No. Let's cancel this order. Actually, yesterday I trimmed my GameStop position just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna rebuy on the dip. Just looking at technicals, I do have a feeling GameStop's gonna pull on back slightly even more. I'm just looking at the daily. It's seen some resistance on the daily EMA. So let's wait for this. And the next catalyst, I would say, Portnoy. I guess he bought. Would be the annual meeting. Test what we gonna do. Is Neo dropping still? Yes, Neo just hit a new low. I need to do some more research onto Neo. Nasdaq is ripping. Nasdaq wants a new high. Stonks only go up, man. Stonks only go up. Tesla's pulling on back. Oh, I guess this pullback is affecting AMC slightly. Okay, so Tesla's seeing resistance on the 1 minute EMA. If we don't have a bounce on the 5 in the next couple minutes, I'm out of Tesla. I'm selling. What's going on, Willem? Good morning. Yeah, the stock market is still pushing. Can AMC hold 10? Usually for AMC, it fight for the 01, 801, 1401, 1001. So let's see if it does fight for the 1001 today. Did you see the God Pill live stream picture? No, I have not. So let's see. YouTube.com. All right, there we go. Higher lows on GameStop on AMC. I mean, I'm losing my mind on Tesla. Let's see if we break above this. GameStop still pulling on back. So yesterday I hedged at 169 is I believe where I sold some of my shares on GameStop, and I look to rebuy. I do think at technicals it could pull on a bit back down. So let's wait to re-enter on this one. The volume is 637,000 on GameStop. It's been very low. Oh, GameStop. Godpill is trolling me. He has our same thumbnail. He has the ape.
To 995. 996.
He's watching AMC. He's funny. He's funny. I like the guy. But we're all good. We're texting. We're texting. We're all good. We're in touch. There's no beef. There's no beef. Spy just hit a new record. Damn. Oh, how's Apple? Facebook? Microsoft? How's Nuance? Still 53 volume is dried up on this bad boy. I don't like that. All right, Tesla, what are you gonna do? You're kind of boring me here, Tesla. Usually you're a monster and rip out of the gate. Or in this case, bounce off the pullback, but we're not seeing that yet. GameStop pulling on it back. I don't like this. This is a bearish candle on Tesla. You know what? That's me don't like it. Let's just sell 5. I don't trust this. Get me out. Get me out. I don't like the bounce. It's not there. That's not the strength I know. This is not the Tesla I know. This is exactly why it's pulling back double bottom. All right, get ready. We're going to see another dip. GameStop pulling back as well. Nasdaq still hanging in there at the top. I like it. I like it. However, SQs, man, almost towards my buy. There goes Tesla pulling on back. I knew you. I knew you would pull back, Tesla. Got to read it like a book. All right, let's see where we can rebuy. Rebuy more. All right, it's pulling on back. 732. Let's buy more here. Here we go. Re-enter this bad boy on the 5 where we're oversold. EMA's at 739. Let's replace this really quick. Will this retest the 728s? Let's wait and see. Bounce isn't there. Was looking at SQQ. What do you think? Yeah, I'm looking at SQs. Obviously, if the market does come on down, SQs is gonna go up, TQs are gonna go down. They're inverse ETFs. All right, pulling on back 731. Let's add. Oh no, it's bouncing already. Ooh, the pressure is real today. It's still there. Neil's also taking a hit. How's Xpeng? Also, guys, EVs are bleeding today. Come on, give me one more extension down. I'll buy you again. Tell me I won't. 730? Are you gonna crack 730? All right, 729. I'll buy. All right, I'll buy 5 more here. Let's wait and see. It's actually gonna pull back even more. If it does, baby, we'll go in with 25 shares. We're off jumping AMC. No more FUD. Let's wait and see for AMC. It's back to 1001. It's gonna break 10 right now. Let's see. 1004. Is the news here yet? No. Kind of interesting. They're not placing it there. That's kind of disappointing. All right, it's back to where we sold 10. Yeah, screw Ford. I think Ford's causing all Ford's causing all of this. This is Ford's fault. How's the stock doing? How's Ford doing? F in the chat for Ford. Even they're red today. Yeah, it's all sorted out. It's all sorted out. Guys, look at the 5 minute on Tesla. This is nutty. It's not bouncing. We're gonna take an L, guys, right now. It's still dropping. GameStop pushing up. That's what I like to see. 728. This is not good. New low on Tesla. New low on Tesla. 727. CTRM is ripping. I think we covered CTRM, right? Oh, the penny. The penny. Penny stock. It's a no-no for me. Oh, wow. It's been really hard to trade Tesla on the down when it's coming on down from the highs of 900. These aren't, there's no bounces like before. The bounces aren't there. That's what really surprises me. And with earnings coming up, we should see some hype and momentum upward. Come on, GameStop. You're going green again, going from red to green. AMC's moving still? 1020s, man. All right, come on, come on. Yeah, that's what she basically did, right? With Roblox, she bought Roblox too. Pelosi, the Pelosi pump for sure. No, I don't. They weren't off a squeeze. Absolutely not. And look, it's not bouncing, guys. It's still dangling near the lows. This is very. It's. I think it's. I think Tesla's about to bleed today. And look, hitting new lows. Ooh, it's one of those days where it's just like the 1 minute is so oversold. I want to buy more shares of Tesla. Let's buy 5 more. All right, we bought 5 more. But yeah, it's very aggressively oversold in the 5 minute. Even yesterday, this is the type of dump we had. So let's wait and see what type of bounce we get. Oh, it's bouncing. It's trying to bounce. We need a green candle on the 1 minute. No, I'm not doing options. I saw the interview, absolutely. I haven't bought back an AMC, no. All right, we have 25 shares at an average price of 732 for Tesla. Let's wait and see what happens. I thought that was insider trading, yeah, for Pelosi. Let's wait and see. See what Discord's saying. Oh yeah, the SEC filing's in there. Discord. What I don't understand is why Adam didn't ever just say that straight out of the gate that he doesn't pledge. Or he will pledge to not use a share. Like he waited until now. Then I wouldn't have sold out. Yeah, Tesla's not is not having it, guys. Let's hedge our risk. Let's sell 10 shares. Let's play it on the safe side because there might be some more room for blood. Here it comes on down, 725. Let's wait to rebuy this bad boy on the lows. It's not bouncing. I'd rather take a 150 L than take a freaking $600 L when it bleeds all the way down to 700. Let's wait and see. Where's my bounce at? Where's my bounce? How's Neo? So 35. Nasdaq, what are we doing? Coinbase? I forgot about Coinbase. Yeah, it's very choppy. When you buy stock coin, for example, that's overpriced and then drops, do you hold until you make your money back? Or if it doesn't, I sell if it doesn't bounce. I don't care. I don't give a crap. I'll sell. Like I sold Tesla right now, and it's bouncing now. See how like it's just managing your risk, man. Like I'd rather take a small L than it turn into some uncontrollable loss where I'm at the mercy of Tesla. Because I know, maybe even tomorrow, maybe even later, I might hit a home run. I'll make back the L and profit. So it's just like I remember if you guys were here yesterday, I was just if there was no bounce on coin and there was no strength, I'm out. I'm out. I don't care. I don't care where it does. I don't care the stock. I don't care about anything. We're on Kitty Tweet. All right, let's check it out. I think we need a spacesuit pump. Oh, we need a Weeble pump. It's like a cat video.
Lord Jesus, let me get my feet together. Hold on, man. Cat's getting oh, Natalie, man. What you got that creepy music playing? Like I'm about to die in the movie, man. Why don't you put the phone down and help, man? Get these hangers. Let me use the hangers to my advantage. Now let's go get these cheap 99-cent hangers up out of here on Burlington Coat Factory. Now put the phone down and help.
What? All right, let's see. Let's see. Tesla, what are you gonna do? I don't trust Tesla, guys. Mm-mm. Sell five more. Let's just be safe. There's no bounce here. This is gonna sink right now again. It's coming down. All right, new low on Tesla. Wow, this is really crazy. We're down almost a percent. We're down 6.06 points on Tesla. Come on, come on. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You're gonna come down for me again? I'll rebuy you. Guys, what's Dogecoin at? Ford CEO takes a dig at Tesla while teasing own self-driving vehicle. Screw you, Ford. 724 new low on Tesla. Come on down. 723. Ooh, this is aggressively selling off now. This is straight panic at this point. I remember the last time we had a day like this, I took an L. I took an L. Not today, baby. We ain't taking fat L's. We taking small L's, but we're not letting those L's get out of control. We're not at the mercy. Nilo on Fubo. What's Dogecoin at, guys? Guys, one of my boys had 180,000 Doge and he sold. He's like, man, he got impatient. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come down, come down. Guys, I have a feeling Tesla's gonna rip on the 5. Like, just aggressively shoot up out of nowhere. And I don't want to miss it. I want to buy it. I want to rebuy those shares. Corey, thank you for the donut. You should know when GameStop squeezes, the rest of the market will be blood red. Don't buy these small dips on other stocks because they will tank. Thank you for the donut. You guys don't have to donate. That might be the floor too, yeah, Andrew. 0.13? Is it Doge is still near the highs? What? Oh man. Oh, please don't tell me this is it. Please don't tell me this is it. Please don't tell me this is the bounce. Please don't tell me this is the bounce. That 15-minute is looking a little bloody. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. How's Neo following along? How's AMC? Let's take a look at AMC. All right, still at 10. It's probably gonna go for a 10 close today. Maybe even 10.50. Remember how those whole numbers and half-dollar marks work as magnets? GameStop still finding some support at 160s. Remember when GameStop was at 180s? Just dangling there. I think 180s. I think 160s is the new 180s. That's good. That's a good sign. Your friend will cry when Doge hit the dollar. Oh my God. See what Twitter's saying. What kind of news do we have on Twitter? Uh, bu- 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 oh, damn you, Tesla. It's testing EMA one more time. This is the moment of truth. Is it gonna rip or is it gonna dip? Amazon over 200 million Prime members worldwide. It's up 1.5% today. All right, I think it's gonna rip. Come on, Tesla. Do something. It's teasing us, guys. Doesn't know what it wants to do. All right, here it comes. Let's adjust the EMA on the 5. Get an idea of where we have on the 5 minute. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. 350,000 Doge. You got in at 0.2. Wow. It's still seeing some resistance here, guys. You guys see this? What's the volume for GameStop right now, guys? Good morning, Osvaldo. Thanks for the dono. In Spanish slow opera. Is that because you called in yesterday? I think you called in, right? I think that's what you mean. 1.4 mil? Yeah, Neil's pulling on back, guys. Yeah, see how Tesla saw resistance here? It was a rip or dip at this point. Either it's gonna shoot back up to 735, or it's gonna be a disappointment and still pull on back. Let's wait for it to pull back, guys. It would be funny if Tesla blasted 850. Knowing Tesla's strength, man. Look at the 4 hour and 1 hour on Tesla. It shot up from 677 all the way to 786. Now it's on the way back down. So you gotta be very careful. If you're playing it just for a bounce and you don't see the bounce, get out. There's no point. Let's see. Now we're playing support game. Are we gonna hold support here at 727 and blast off, or still see some new lows? Let's see how Nasdaq's doing. Looking a little toppy on here. Neo. Neo just came off a new low as well. All right, it's coming on down, guys. Again, Tesla. Damn, what do you guys think? Tesla's going back to 700 and find support there? It might get a little bumpy there, guys, if it goes down to 700. So 5. We didn't get filled. We didn't get filled. Here it comes. New low's coming. New low's coming. I have a feeling it's cheek clenching time. Oh, it's selling off. Oh, damn. Let's buy it. Let's rebuy. Let's rebuy. All right, we're in again. 5. Pull on back, baby. Give me panic. Give me panic. Triple. We got the quadruple twos right here. 722.22. New low incoming or no? New low or bounce here? Actually, if it dips down aggressively, I think I might go in with like 50 shares. Let's wait and see. And I'll be out really quick too. But it seems to me like it's kind of holding 720s. I think the last level of resistance was around 718, right? 718 for Tesla resistance. Let's see if it holds that previous resistance. It topped out at 716, and that pre-market that day was around 712. So that's the next level, guys. It's gonna come down to around the 7 something. Yeah, no one really knows the real borrow fee. Just curious how many people here have Tesla. Yeah, who here's holding Tesla? I'm curious. Tesla will reach 900. Kathy, by the way, she sold some Tesla yesterday. She knew it was looking overextended, and we saw that pullback, and we're still seeing red today. Yeah, she hopped on Coinbase, guys, which is just flat here at 337. But with any IPO, man, let it see where it finds some support, which is a mistake I made yesterday. I was expecting to bounce, which is honestly it was just common sense. The stock has to bounce, and it did not bounce. Oh, Tesla's coming on down again. The bleeding continues on Tesla, guys. Ugh. It's coming on down again. Here we go. Wait and see. Let's wait and see. 712s, we're coming for you. You would short Tesla here? I'm mad at Ford, man. I'm not mad at you. I'm mad at Ford. 48 shares of Tesla, 5 shares at 594. You have an amazing price. All right, 721 you low. Dogecoin finds stability around 13 cents as Elon Musk tweets fail to give the push. No, I think it gave it a push. I think his tweet gave it a push, right? I think it was at 9, and then he tweeted in the morning and it shot up 13, if I'm not mistaken. You know how many people would lose money shorting Tesla? A lot. Unless you're shorting for a quick pullback, healthy retracement. I wouldn't probably short Tesla long term. I know Elon's gonna clap me. Pretty strong 5-minute bounce. I'd be more convinced if we shot up to 726 right now. A 726 push would convince me. Come on, Elon. Come on, Tesla. Don't get rejected at the 1-minute EMA. We've been seeing resistance all morning so far on 1-minute EMA. EVs are taking a hit. New low on Neo at 35. Come on, Tesla. Lead the way, baby. Pioneer the path back to 800. Come on. Don't tell me you're gonna get rejected. Don't tell me you're gonna get rejected. Just rip. Just rip, baby. Come on, GameStop. You too, baby. Lead the way. What do I think of net? Let's see. It's too slow for me. There really isn't any. Price target of 90 from 105. See, I'm not seeing any. I'll fall asleep trading this, man. Come on, Tesla. 726. There we go. All right, we're on the way back. We're on our way back. We're on our way back. Tesla's at the mercy of Ford? Absolutely not. If anything, if I was Elon Musk, I would fear Apple more than Volkswagen. I would fear Apple and big tech more than any other automobile competitor. Come on, Tesla. 725, 26. Oh, there we go. J&J is holding the 160s. All right. Convince me, convince me. Yeah, Apple would be way more of a fierce competitor than Volkswagen. 100%. Tesla's biggest edges are the software and battery tech. Absolutely. 100%. It's like we talked about before. It's like if you're gonna go if you're gonna buy an EV, right? Obviously you're gonna look at every car out there, from Audi, Volkswagen, Fubo's falling, Tesla. Fubo's under 20. And at the end of the day, I think you'll end back at Tesla. You'll figure out Tesla's really number one, the best EV out there. You'll ask your neighbor, hey, what do you think of Tesla? He owns a Tesla. He'll tell you it's amazing. Word of mouth, baby. Viacom Discovery dangling near the lows still, guys. Tesla's finding some support. Finally, I think the bleeding stopped on Tesla. 30-minute, no sign of a bounce. 5-minute, we had a green candle here, but we're not seeing that bounce just yet. I have a feeling it's coming. The VIX is dropping too, right? I believe it was at 16. Yeah, 1671. We've seen lower that one Friday. Yeah, 1538. Unless it was on Friday. Is this the VIX? Yes. Well, oh, we were on Friday at 1624, right? Yeah, we did see lower at 1538 on Wednesday. I wonder how those VIX calls are. Oh, Tesla, you're disappointing me, man. I'm gonna have to sell you. The bleeding has not stopped from what it looks like. Come on, Tesla. Hold yourself. GameStop 158. How's AMC doing? $10? I think AMC might hold 10 today. It holds 10 today. Very bullish reversal on the daily. It looks like a head and shoulders formation. Remember, we were stuck in that range here at 12 and then like around 980 support. It's trying to creep back in that range. The one that's forming the head and shoulders is GameStop on the daily. See that EMA resistance here? Alex, I'm watching the ads. Yeah. When I sell Tesla, you buy and it'll shoot up and you'll make money. I'm just playing. Don't take that serious. Don't play anything I play on here, guys. This is all finan I was about to say, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Can you confirm AMC has 0 short shares available? Of course, we'll pull up fake tail really quick, but it's always skewed. It's always flawed. It's not real. It's showing 8,000 11 minutes ago. I wouldn't trust it. I don't trust Finto anymore. I don't even pull at Finto anymore. Come on, Tesla. Go back to 740. Let's go, baby. All right, there we go. Neo's waking up, guys. See what we have on Twitter. Any breaking news? Mm-mm-mm. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 720, 87, 29, 29. Let's give me 730. Give us 730. Scandal. Let's adjust the 5. Let's adjust the 5 minute. All right, we're going in for the test, guys, on the 5 minute. 5 minute EMA is at 731.93. Let's just extend up there. Imagine if Tesla rallies to 800 today. That would be epic. That'd be pretty dope. But one thing I've been doing recently is I haven't really been playing big. I haven't sized in aggressively on Tesla. Before on the way up when the bounces were like crazy, I'd be buying like 50, 75 shares and I would sell ASAP on the rips. Right now, this is just like barely just testing the waters as we're pulling on back. If Tesla pulls back to 500, that's where I lose my sleep. That's where things start getting a little serious. That's when we start putting in some money into Tesla. As of now, we're just playing the bounces, getting a feel for it. The profit loss isn't too crazy. It's nothing wild. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. 157 for GameStop. So far, my prediction is right on GameStop pulling on back today, just off of technicals, straight off of technicals. I kind of want to show up to their store here in Culver City. I want to see what they have back there. I think they have those what do you call them? The little stations, the esports gaming stations with the monitors and whatnot. I want to see if they have one here. Come on. GameStop dropping. All right, we're bouncing. When I come back from the restroom, Tesla, you better be a the reason we did not shoot up on Tesla is because we didn't have Jamer commanding the ship. Come on. GameStop pulling on back. Is AMC following? Seems to me like AMC and GameStop are still correlated. Viacom new lows? This is exactly why we did not FOMO on this bad boy. I have a feeling Viacom still has more room to fall, guys. It's now at the mercy of its previous low here at 40 bucks. Actually, no, 39 something. Let's wait and see if it pulls on back. Discovery new lows. Where's my water? Did the cat dude? Is that you referring to Kitty? Roaring Kitty? Cat dude. When was the last time I YOLO'd? Depends what YOLO means to you. That's a good question. When was the last time? Probably when I lost 100K in options. I guess probably that was a YOLO. Now that I think about it, I'm such an idiot for that. Yeah, Tesla dropped to 539 last time. Never forget that. Come on, Tesla. Yeah, but his name's Keith Gale, Roaring Kitty, deep effing value. I think he'll post when what he does on Friday. Tomorrow, actually. Yeah, Coin was a horrible play on. I'm pretty sure a lot of people who here lost on Coinbase. Starting with me, I lost. Tesla, you're gonna bounce. Guys, we're about to test EMA on Tesla. It's coming. I think we might see some resistance here, actually. Overall market pulling back or nah? No, it's still pumping up. Why aren't you following Nasdaq, Tesla? Did Ford really hurt you like that, man? Screw this. We're selling 5. I don't trust you. I don't care where I get filled. There's weakness. Don't feel bad about it, man. I've made over 300,000 in options and lost it just as quickly. Yeah, you know what they say, man. A fence that goes up fast comes down fast. The trick is also having good stocks. Yeah, those big boy stocks. The real question here on Tesla on the 5 minute is it going to test here and pull on back and continue to sell off? If that's the case, man, we're going to get out. If it comes to 724, I'm out. I don't care what it does. I'll sell at 724 if it comes down. And I'll rebuy back. So let's see. Are you going to come down for me? What's going on, Georgie? Yeah, Tiger, I don't remember the last time I cheated an IPO. It was obviously probably Snapchat, but I guess now I learned a lesson on Coinbase to not freaking just run out of the. And that was green. It just happened to be that one candle wrecked everybody. That one red candle on Coinbase after it pushed up to 4 something, 430, it was done from there. It was game over, no bounce. What's going on, Darth Trader? All right, Tesla. Goodbye. 725. Is it gonna come down for me? It's like really testing with me right now. GameStop resistance at 156 EMA. It's kind of worrying me because it's so close to 150s, and you guys know when 150 is, right? It's the $0.50 mark. I wouldn't be surprised if people have some stop losses there. Guys, Tesla's really trying to play this game of higher lows. Is it gonna hold though? This is the question. He sold, pump it. Yeah, as soon as I sell, I'm telling you, it's gonna shoot up. Honest opinion, should I take the L from Coinbase and just sell it to reinvest in other stocks? First and foremost, what was your plan with Coinbase? Are you trying to invest in it long term? Are you trying to day trade it? Because from what I have a feeling that you're holding a bag. Is that what it is? Maybe I'm wrong. I'm just being honest. Because you need to have a plan, man. Like you need to be like, if it hits this price, I'm outie. I'm done. Who cares if it bounces up? Like in this case, I don't care if Tesla falls to 724 and I sell and it shoots up to 800. I don't care. Of course, it suck. But look how close it was to our sell price. 725 was seven. Now it's showing signs of support, higher lows. Now I'm gonna hold it. Let's see if it bounces aggressively again. But have a plan. Have a plan. Exactly. I had a feeling. You said I wanted to day trade it. I did too, and I sold every time there was no bounce. Who cares what it does after? But I would have cut my loss, man, and just moved on. You don't want a loss to turn into something like devastating, you know? SEC just announced 50 million award to whistleblowers. I think that's old news. I think we read that before, no? See, that's a plan to buy when I sell. Roaring Kitty tweeted. Where is this from? Explaining commodities. The truth hurts, but that's how we learn. Yeah, just you have to learn through mistakes, man. You gotta just tell yourself like, why did I not stick to my plan, you know? Did you expect it to go higher? Expect a bounce? You probably got FOMO. Coinbase says due to an issue with the recent network upgrade, we've temporarily disabled withdrawals. Oh, we temporarily disabled ETH and ERC20 withdrawals from Coinbase. Oh, Coinbase is dumping, guys. Coinbase is falling. 324. Yeah, Tess, I'm done with you. Goodbye. Did Coinbase get hacked or what? Sounds like they have liquidity problems. Right? Am I the only one thinking that? Coinbase, due to an issue with the recent network upgrade, we've temporarily disabled ETH and ERC20 withdrawals from Coinbase. Uh, and of course, as soon as they tell Tesla, it starts to shoot up. But we don't care. We're outie. Let's set our alerts just in case it comes back down. We'll hop in again. But Icom is so close to triggering my alert. Discovery. Let's set our alerts here as well. Oh, damn you, Tesla. I can't even watch you anymore. Let's pull up Coinbase. That's 9 minutes ago. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Raises price target to 650. Yeah, it's the Ford curse, man. Can you please speak on GameStop? It's at 154. It's trying to find support at 150s. It really isn't bouncing as aggressively as I expected. That's what happened with Roblox, if I'm not mistaken, too. But I didn't touch Roblox. Guys, Microsoft Nasdaq is still ripping up. It wants these new highs. It's coming. So close. GameStop pulling back 153. That's very rare though, JL. The problem with Tesla and trading effectively is that Elon could come out with a single tweet and pump the heck out of it. Uh, I've never really got caught with that with the tweet, and I get stuck. It hasn't really happened. It's gonna be very rare. What's the 10-year at? The 10-year's probably dropping as well. 1.578? 1.572? That explains the tech rip. SQs are looking juicy again. 1072. Bloomberg, what are you stating? Oh, these glasses. No, I remember when he tweeted that, man. I remember all his tweets. Remember that? Funding secured at 420? The tweet that got him in trouble. Oh, Tesla's bouncing. Oh boy, Tesla just shot up out of nowhere. And I sold this bad boy. Did not trust Tesla. You guys remember that tweet? Funding secured 420? He got fined like 20 something million, I forgot. Ah, Tesla. It's a love-hate relationship. Is Neil following? Yeah, it's Tesla's paving the way, guys. Benji, are you still here? Your Neil's coming up. Xpeng 2. How's Ford? Screw Ford. He tweeted that shares are undervalued. I don't trade Forex, no. Forex is like way too complicated for me, for my smooth brain. Shares are. I don't think he tweeted that. I don't think he tweeted that, did he? Audi takes on Tesla's Model Y with entry price electric SUV. Let's take a look at this. That's a pretty sick looking car. I mentioned about it. I think you were talking about the chairman with Ryan Cohen, not Elon. I don't think it was Elon. Was it? Tesla's just like at this weird these weird levels, 730. I honestly expected Tesla to come down to 660s, maybe even sub 600s. It did not come down for us, guys. It has earnings, so let's wait and see what it does. Yeah, I don't think he ever tweeted that shares are undervalued. Um, I'll re-enter. I'm gonna rebuy Tesla if it cracks under 720. So we sold that 724 for a small L, very small L, even compared to Coinbase yesterday, in which right now it's slightly bouncing. I don't think I'll touch coin unless it really starts to flush under 300. GameStop trying to find some support at 153. A possible re-entry for AMC. Let's wait and see. This is one, of course, I'm not gonna FOMO and chase back just because I sold at 10. Doesn't mean I'm gonna just be like, oh, I'm gonna buy back at 10. Just wait it out. Wait it out. These stocks aren't going anywhere, baby. GameStop cracks under 150s. I'm gonna slowly start re-entering. Let's wait and see. So yeah, if Tesla comes on down, make sure you watch the overall market. Make sure you watch Nasdaq, which simply wants new highs. Nasdaq wants new highs. That 10 years pulling on back, which well deserved, guys. Jobless claims dropped to lows of March 2020. We're at those levels again. And I think I saw an article earlier that said BlackRock is the most bullish it's ever been. Something like that. Let me find that article. I don't want to misquote them. They said CEO of world's largest money manager. I am incredibly bullish on the stock market. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink told CNBC he's optimistic. So let's wait and see. Well, and Tesla seems to be like it's not coming on down. Nasdaq's still pushing up. NEO and XPeng are probably going to follow Tesla. So if you're holding EVs, they're bouncing, baby. VIX, yeah, VIX, as the market pushes up, VIX is going to drop. So with that being said, I think we're going to end it here, guys. We'll be back for Power Hour. Again, I'll enter Tesla again if it drops 720. GameStop sub 150 is where I start to re-enter as well, because I did expect the pullback today for GameStop technical wise. Maybe we'll even head to GameStop today in Culver City, see what's going on there. With that being said, we're going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for tuning on in. I'd appreciate it if you guys could hit 69 likes on the video. If you guys enjoyed, if you guys are new here, welcome. We live stream every single day, market open, Monday through Friday, and Power Hour. We are going to be back later on, and I'll have a video later on the channel for you guys. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an amazing rest of your morning, and I will see you guys. Power